I don't understand why she's in the motel to begin with. And once again, this comes with second-hand information.
Pictures from throughout the area from our viewers. We ask you to email things in. If you got pictures of damage to weatheratwavy.com. This one is in Clark Forest subdivision by Salem Middle School.
We gotta go out to the boardwalk.
Right here. Just a raw email picture.
It is deep right there.
I don't know where this is from. Storm, and again, the center of the storm is moving on in along shore, and it's moving over the Pamlico Sound and moving northwestward at about 20 miles. Towards the Roanoke Rapids area around 8 p.m. midnight. So
it's gonna hit
this storm. Now, it's gonna hit the wing, kind of a great
look how close they're getting.
It extends, and I'm explaining our house. Coastal areas, bayfront, and ocean evacuate. We have already, but don't be looking there. Things could really, really drastically worsen during the afternoon hours. Away from the surge of waves, there's going to be shallow flooding moving on up the streets and into some houses. Be prepared to ride it out downstairs and downwind. Now, downstairs, we're going to start to see some more heavy rain, and we are indeed seeing some extremely heavy rain right now on into Currituck County. There's a big donut of rain really working its way northward on toward the Virginia-North Carolina border. See, I think
they're hitting up past that second floor over there on the gray house.
Right there. We're riding down Shore Drive right now, and it's flooded. It's completely flooded. We're getting ready to drive through it. Okay, I'll
let him go through
see how
first.
deep it is, I think. He's checking.
Yeah, let him go through first and see.
He's like, fuck that.
73, our 2050, our hotline number is where you can call to find out.
Drive, it's a little park off Davo Road.
It's like a tornado hit her street.
It might have been.
Her street was unbelievable. One girl lost her whole front porch, one girl lost half of the house.
Like, this is what they're talking about.
Alright, nice.
Look at all the
And I was going to take a look.
Okay.
I'm gonna say it's gutter. You know, I think a tree hit it. It's the tree that.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Can you get it?
Look. How's that suspended? Oh, it's suspended on the cables.
Oh, my goodness.
Look at that.
Oh, wow. Look, it just broke.
Man, I bet you it just exploded when it hit. Like the lines hit together. Just pow. Is that Billy Powell's?
No.
Man, that's a big tree. Look at that smash. That's crazy.
That's what I was afraid of, something falling on me.